You got the hiccups. Where are the hiccups? Come on. I'm more interested in the video camera than the hiccups. Well, I guess the best way to get rid of hiccups is put the video camera on you. You get a couple little hiccups and then you fall asleep.